What's up, you guys? Stealthy RS here, once again with another video just for you. Today we're doing a little bit of an install under the car today. We got the belly pan off already, working on taking the rear motor mount off to replace it with the Mountune unit. Hopefully you can focus in on that a little. This is supposed to prevent wheel hop. On a launch, the car does spin a little bit, so it's intended to prevent that a little bit. And there it is. So we're currently under the car, taking off the underbelly so we can gain access and take that motor mount off. Should be a fun job. So we ran into a little bit of an issue. We dropped one of the bolts from the manifold. It's somewhere in the bumper. Unfortunately, we may have to take that bumper off if we can't get it. Well, it looks like he got it, so good deal. And to work we go. Alright guys, so there's the factory rear motor mount. Definitely not as well constructed as the Mountune one. So I'm excited to see how this is going to hold out. Alright, so everything's currently being bolted back together. Some Christmas wreath, Minnie and Daisy and Happy. There was a birthday sign up there, but that's been taken down. I tried to get it all down today. It was my daughter's birthday over the weekend. So I still got decorations up and haven't had the chance to take it down because I've been working on my car. Alright, so we're pretty much done. Motor mount's been installed. Just taking it off the jacks now. Alright guys, so that concludes today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you drop that thumbs up. Drop your comments in the comment section below. And of course, if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so. Until next time, I'm checking out.